Now we will see the different types of sections. They are full section, second half section, third partial or local sections, fourth revolved section, fifth removed section, and sixth offset section. Okay, now we will see the full section, half section in this session. Then we will see how to hatch the section, that is apparent section as well as true shape of the section, while drawing the projections under the sections of solid. Now this is full section. Suppose say if this is a flange like thing, okay, we are cutting it fully. Okay, we are showing the cross section by using the hatching lines. Okay, so this is the full section. The other thing is, for the same thing, since it is a symmetric profile, it is enough to show only the cut only the half portion of it. So we didn't cut fully, we cut only half of it. Okay, after cutting this flange like component only to an extent of half of it only, so I showed only the hatching line only for that half section. Okay, now we'll see that how you have to hatch the apparent section as well as true shape of the section while we solve the problem. Assume that the square is your true shape of section or apparent section. Okay, so that is the area bounded by the either apparent or true shape of the section. Okay, so this is the correct way of showing the hatching lines. The hatching line should be a thin continuous line, right? The spacing can be somewhere between, it depends upon the size of the section. Okay, if the section size is too small, the spacing should be minimal. If the section area is large, then you can have a wider gap. Okay, so roughly the gap between the adjusting hatching lines should be somewhere between 1 mm to 4 mm. Okay, in general the hatching line angle must be 45 degree. Okay, suppose if the true shape of the section or apparent shape of the section itself having a line or edges inclined at an angle of 45, then the hatching line angle should be other than 45 degree, right? So that's why I mentioned the hatching line angle, it is better if it is in the range between 15 degrees to 60 degrees. Okay, again I repeat, the hatching line should be thin continuous line type with equispaced. Okay, so this is the correct way. We will see the incorrect ways also. You see, you used a different line thickness type. So this line is very thick, this line is very thin. That is not correct. The second incorrection in this particular case is the spacing is not equal throughout, unequal spacing, right? Here also unequal spacing. So that is why these two are incorrect. So if you see this one, it is incorrect because uneven spacing. This is incorrect because the lines are too close. If it is too close, it won't look nice actually, right? Here it is incorrect. Why? Hatching lines are having different thicknesses. That is why it is incorrect. This one, it is incorrect because hatching lines are dark or thick. This one, it is equal space. It is thin continuous line type only, but still it is incorrect. Why? The hatching lines are crossing the boundary. Either it is not touching the boundary or sometimes it is crossing the boundary. Even if it is not touching the boundary, that is also incorrect. If it crosses, definitely incorrect. So the correct way is this one only. Okay, so kindly follow this one.